I am always astounded when I look at a certain class of pages on people's websites and I see them just ignoring them, not even using them, yet they're such powerful pages that if you fix them, you can start this chain reaction that goes throughout your entire business and starts to put more customers in your business and money on your bottom line. What are those pages? It's a generic class of pages. They're called thank you pages. So when someone buys, they come to a thank you page. When someone opts into your email list, they come to your thank you page. Yet what do we do on those thank you pages? We say, thank you for signing up for my email. Please check your email to get it. And it's like, wait just a minute. Those people are happy with you at that moment, whether they just opted in to get something free or whether they just purchased something from you. All the studies show that when someone finishes buying from you, they are happy with you. Their good chemicals are going off in their brain all over the place. Let's use that to our advantage to actually improve their happiness because they're happy with you at that moment. Let's make them even happier and take them to another level by carrying the relationship even further. Here's what I mean by that. When someone comes to your thank you page, you've just given them something or sold them something. So why not use that thank you page to give them something else? Like what? Well, like maybe something for free, or maybe you're selling something. But my favorite thing to do on those pages is to put a video on it. And above that video, put a big headline that says, watch this video to learn this. Because one of the challenges is if you don't put that, there's a lot of people who come to that page, they see the video and they say, oh, it's just going to be Don thanking me. And they don't ever turn it on and watch it. And so by putting that headline, watch this video to learn the 4 ways to blank, whatever it is, then people actually click on it thinking, oh, I'm going to learn something. I'm going to get something else out of it. And then what you do is a fairly short, though it can be long. I've actually had thank you page videos that went almost an hour, 48 minutes. But ideally it's shorter because people weren't expecting to get a long video right there. And what you do is you give them actual valuable content in that video. And then at the end of them, ask them to take another action, whether it's to click a button to get something else downloaded for free, which for many of us at our stage in business, that's exactly what we need to do is give them another thing for free to make them even happier with you, get them want to follow you even more. If you've just sold them something, it can be sell them something else, whatever that is, or you can do things like something that doesn't have anything to do with that. Sign up for my social media. If you can even give them an incentive for coming and joining a group or something like that, or offer them something else. It can be free or it can be paid. I love to put paid offers at that point. The key is this. Use your thank you page. You've got their happy chemicals going off in their brain. Turn that into action that increases and improves your relationship with them. Possibly that sells something else, but whatever, even if you don't have anything to sell yet, give them something else. Get them to take another action so that you take another micro commitment so that they further improve their relationship with you. How are you using your thank you pages right now? Let me know in the comments. This is Don Crowther saying, just go do this stuff.